Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. If you are new to OBS and you are so excited to start your recording, this video is for you. I'm gonna show you the fastest and the easiest way to start using OBS without any of the advanced functions. Okay, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description so you can download it. This is open source software. Anybody can use it, nobody can claim it, so it will always be free. The first thing you want to do is to go to the settings here. This is the settings. When you click on this one, it will give you the settings screen. Okay? With the general screen, you can hide the OBS, but this is like a little bit complicated. For right now, I'm gonna leave it like that. Because when you hide the OBS screen, it is gonna hide the screen that you see in the back here. It's gonna hide this screen. Then you are not gonna see what's going on. Okay, that's why, I leave this for now. Okay? But if you're gonna use it, you probably need to turn this one off. Okay, now, when we go to the output, the second thing is you want to make sure that you know where the output is gonna go. Okay, so you're gonna go down. If you have other options here, you're gonna go down to recording, and in the recording you're gonna specify browse to the path you want to keep the output, the recorded output in. That's very important, otherwise you're not gonna find where your output. Okay, so you go to browse and select a special folder. When you configure the record format, make sure you select MPEG-4. That's for MP4. Don't select the other ones because the other ones are not really standard. This is a standard here. Okay, if you use hybrid MP4 or fragmented, that's gonna give you a hard time when you try to edit it. So use a standard MP4, which is MPEG-4. Okay, I'm gonna make another video to show you how to edit that. Also, the other video will be free. It's DaVinci Resolve, and it is the most advanced software for video editing. Thank you. Audio here, if you have a microphone, it's good to specify your microphone. Okay, so that way you can use it to record. Now, if you go down to video, probably nothing to do here except for frame per second. You need to make it 60. This is a standard now, and will work good for everybody. Okay, common frame per second, use 60. You have a lot of other options, but probably you don't need any of them. 60 will work is the best now. The other stuff, hotkey, accessibility, and advanced, you don't need that for now. Okay, since I didn't make any changes, it didn't give me apply. If you made any changes on the settings, it will ask you to apply it, and then you click OK. Now I can click just cancel. Okay, and now once you configure the settings, you can click on recording, and it will start to record. When you add the monitors here, you're gonna need to add something here. Like for example, I have here scene 1. I put my video there. I can add something else. When you click here scene, you will add another scene here. When you click plus here, you're gonna add sources. So if I click plus, I have all these sources to add. Probably I need very few in the beginning, but you only need to add the stuff that you need and you're gonna use. If you are not gonna use it, then don't add it. Okay, video capture device, that's your camera, your camcorder or your camera. When you click here, okay, this is your camcord video capture device. If you add this one, it will give you device 2 because I have already device 1. You cannot have 2 with the same name under the same sources here. If I click OK, it will give me another one, will give me the options to choose from. Okay, I'm using this one. Actually, I'm using different one. I'm using the I'm using actually this one. So, but I'm not gonna use it again. I'm not gonna click on it, but to show you how it works. Now, if you want to remove that, you already configure add it. You can click just a trash. It will remove it. Now you can add something else here. You can add display capture. Display capture is your monitor. If I click here, display capture, when you add display capture, you can configure it which monitor you want to record. Okay, select the display capture. Because I have 2 monitors here, I can select either one. Okay, it depends on where you're gonna be recording from. You need to select the monitor that you're gonna be recording from. Okay, not the other monitor. Maybe you can be working on a monitor, but recording from the other monitor. Okay. If I click in this one, it's gonna show you the other screen that I'm recording from. This is the other screen I'm recording from here on the other screen. Okay, on the other also OBS. I'm using OBS to record the OBS. Okay, if I click OK, it's gonna be all right. You know, like here, you see the other screen. Now, if you want to add a microphone, you can also add a microphone. That will be the audio input capture. Audio input capture. Audio input capture is your microphone. Audio output capture is your speaker. So if I want to add a microphone, I'm going to add audio input capture. Okay. If I click OK, I can select which microphone I'm gonna use. If I click this one, okay, it show you that I clicked in it. But that's how you're gonna configure. So you're gonna start with the scene. The scene, by default, you're gonna have just scene, nothing else. That one you can configure. If you wanna add another scene, you can click here, okay, and it's gonna give you a different scene name, and you can configure it the same way. And I'm going to show you something very interesting. Let me take display capture. Okay, it's display capture 2. Okay, and this time I'm going to select the other monitor, the same monitor here I'm on. Okay, if I click OK, see, this one will give me this monitor here I'm on. But I can go between this monitor and the other scene. See, this is one scene. This is different scene. You see? And you can play with it. If you have any question, write me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you directly. Okay? I hope you learned something today. And let me know in the comments if you have any question or any comment. And I will help you definitely. Okay, thank you very much and take care. Have a nice day.